Hello, guys. So today, I'm gonna be playing, maybe Choppa. Let's play Choppa. So today, this is a pretty cool day because this is the first day of my YouTube channel. I hope it grows and everything like that. If you're watching this video, I hope you're going to subscribe to me. I really wish that. Okay, so let's get in the game. So this game is all about saving people when they're stuck and you have to bring them back. If you hit an obstacle, then you're down and you have to restart. So it's loading right now. So I have to wait a second. And a second. Okay, here we go. So there's no controls, like, you just have to, oh no. Okay. Okay, so let's bring him across the obstacles onto that yellow pad. It's pretty difficult. Okay, did it. Okay. Let's keep. Ooh, these are very hard to get, but let's see if I can get it this time. Okay, got it. Dang it. Okay, let's see if we could try next time. Stay here. What? Told me to go over there. Okay, I guess it's a retry. Okay. There. Okay. All we have to do is wait for it to start. The next one. Okay, these ones are pretty tough. Oh, dang it. Bird hit me. Yeah, let's retry that. Stop it! Grab onto the water. So easy. Good. Bring me back to the yellow platform. Hey, that's so rude, woman. You almost fell off into the water. Okay. This time let's do it correct. And not go into it. Okay. We're not gonna. We made it. Okay, let's keep going. Let's get to that guy. Let's do this. And got him. Oh no! So close. Okay. See if I can upgrade. What's 300? Still back. Let's start. Yeah, I guess we could start right now. We have nothing else to do. Loading. Loading. Hi. My dog is right next to me, aka Nuffy Puppy. Check out his channel, Check out MC Owen123. Shout out for how to make me screen record. I am so thankful for that. I just have to give him a shout out. And shout out to Nuffy Puppy. Probably already said that. Shout out to Dude. Yeah, I think that's his name. He's my friend. He loves memes. Like every meme he probably has to tell me. He probably loves the Dove one, his favorite one. What? Come on, grab on. Okay. I feel the need for speed. Let's do this. I guess we get speed in this game. Yes. Put me down on the platform. And we did it! Yay! Next one. This is the farthest I've ever gotten to. Stage 3. Never gotten that far in my life. I think that's pretty cool. No! Back to stage 1. Hey, ooh, free gift. Haven't seen that whole video. Go through blacksmith. I'm not allowed to go through the volcano. Okay, let's bring you back. Close your mouth for this one. I don't think you would like this. Okay. It's all black. Get me on. Is that 2 people? Oh, I thought you could go through there. Okay. Okay, let's keep doing this. I'm gonna try to save up my coins in the next video. I think this is part 1, so I really like this game. Good for doing gameplays on. Watch out. There. Got it. Okay, stage 2. Let's do this, baby. Sorry for jamming. Okay, stage 2 complete. On to stage 3. From the part we haven't got past. We need to get past stage 3. No! Keep dying on those things. It's so hard. I'm gonna use 5 coins on each try. It's worth it. I need to get past this stage 3. Oh no! It's not working. Okay. One more time and then I think I'm gonna end this video. Okay. Sorry, man. Okay. Now let's bring you onto the platform. Okay. Ooh. See how far I can get and then